If you don't know how to remove Google account any owner, you can remove it. After watching my 1 minute video, if you are free of charge, it won't work. If you try it with a free tool, I will show you how to do it. And you will need a PC to do this. You can work with any type of model. You have to pay some money. Will work 100%. As you can see, go to this website, select service list, type in search bar which one you need and type in owner service. That will show service. This place has 3 services. If your mobile buy from Russia, you can unlock with low price. If it is international, then slow service takes 24 hours, and if you want it fast, then you have to take instant service. After selecting the service, only submit the serial number. At the time it is taken, you will be given a key inside with a tool to unlock it. I hope you understand, but if you don't, here is my WhatsApp number. After the order is completed, connect fast boot mode, open tool and paste token and click erase FRP button. After done, wait for run, then normally active device. Enjoy. If my video is helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.